Good day, everyone. I'm here to present my case study about the Sunshine Fashion Company. Sunshine Fashion Corporation, popularly known as Sunshine, is a Sino-Japanese business enterprise focuses on manufacturing sweaters. Since 1993, Sunshine grown from a simple sweater manufacturing company for exports into an integrated manufacturer that allows retailing for over 220 locations all over the country. Sunshine was controlled by a head office, then to the three regional companies, down to the retail counters throughout the country. Second one is the business model. In the domestic market, Sunshine was considered as high-quality fashion. Since the cost of each sweater was high, this is considered as a luxury item in China. Sunshine produced 300,000 pieces of sweater just for domestic sales. Although their sweater was expensive, it's still in demand in the market and allows Sunshine to earn a relatively high profit. Their item price changes relative to season change. The third one is the current state of information system. Sunshine makes sure that the production, distribution, and even of its product was always under the manager's control. Also, with the use of RFID or ERP system, the head office receives the sales from all the retail shops for every 4 hours. But this information was updated manually. Sunshine created a new system that allowed them to receive a commission, can be higher than their annual salary. And now this is the statement of the problem. Although the high income was already in the scenario, dishonesty should not to be ignored and must stop as soon as possible. And lastly, with disloyalty and being self-centered of other employees, they make a relation with the department store. When these employees left Sunshine, they often became agents of the other branch and become competitor of Sunshine. Objective of this case study is to have a solution to their manual updated in their ERP or RFID system and to fraudulent behavior of their employees. This is the solution. SAP Business One is an individual system that has a complete solution that provides every process the company demands to run the perfect business. Unlike niche solutions, SAP Business One supports integrated management functions together with financials, sales, customers, e-commerce, inventory, and operations. SAP Business One is invented specifically for small businesses, which means it's fast to install, easy to maintain, and the most valuable is it's comfortable to use. SAP Business One offers retail customers purchasing, inventory, operations, financials, and HR support. The business information can occupy to an individual system. It is directly manageable across the organization, removing duplicate data entry, related errors, and ensuring cost. The company workflow-based alerts cause an auto-response when important business events happen, so the company can monitor minute. The company focuses on those that are most critical. When unrestrained from regular reacting to day-to-day minute, the company can spend more time driving your business forward. The company can prevent the problem by using this system, and Sunshine Fashion must fire the old managers and find new and better than these managers so that they can prevent the losses of the domestic sales and fraudulent behavior. The cost of the system. The estimated cost of this system is $3,000 per user, and if the company got 4 users per branch, it costs $12,000 per branch.